Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fast travel in Dragon's Dogma 2. To do this, first let's open our map, and you will need to find a specific port crystals on the map. For example, in Vern Wharf, there's this port crystal right here. And now to actually use them, you will need to open your inventory, and find the fairy stones. Click on them, select use, and then pick whichever port crystal you want. Click on yes, and you will fast travel. Keep in mind that this doesn't work when you're in the dungeon or in the buildings. That way you won't be able to teleport, you need to be outside. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.